Today I'm going to do some simple demonstration about my thesis, which is in the BlackBerry Java development environment. So first we want to open the application. So this is the application called Meeting Point, and here's just the splash screen. And first thing that we want to do is to register. So we input, like for example, IT 2005, and the password, just put in some password, register. As you can see, the status is register success. Next thing that we want to do is to log in to the account with our newly created username. So we choose IT 2005. Password, just some password, login, and we are now in the IT 2005 homepage. So as you can see, this is your homepage, and here's on your right some statistics about your account. And as you can see, current location is 0.0, meaning that we haven't set our current location. So what we want to do is to get current location. Basically, there are 4 methods to get current location. First is using GPS. Second is just to point to a location somewhere in the map. And the third one is using already defined location by the application, and the last one is just manually entered coordinate combination to the application. So but we want to use the most effective one, which is using GPS. We are now on the GPS page, and we want to run the GPS thread. We press enter. As you can see on your right, running GPS thread. We already run once, and here's our current location. But still, it is not really meaningful if we don't have a visualization of the current location. So what we want to do is to show it on the map by choosing show my location. So as you can see, this is IT 2005. We try to zoom out, and it is said that we are somewhere between Jalan Kapten Subianto and Jalan Gria Lokaraya. So I presume it is quite accurate. So now we want to do some other feature aside from displaying current location, which is manage my meeting. So now what we want to do first is to add meeting to the map. For example, we want to define new meeting location into the map. For example, we define somewhere around here the meeting location, and we want to name the location to be Gria Loka, and the event name to be, for example, study group, and the meeting start at 7, best at 7, 8 in the morning until 12 in the afternoon, and we are sending the information. As you can see, the application said appointment has been added to maps and calendar. Basically, it means that aside from writing the meeting to the application itself and adding to the map, it is also adding to the BlackBerry calendar in the background. I can show you what I mean. It is, we close our application. We leave our application. Now we enter BlackBerry calendar. We go to date 7, for example, at 8, study group at Kriya Loka. We open it and it is filled with the information that has been entered from our location. So we close it now. Close it. We go back to the application. Then we want to view the meeting on the map, of course. We view it. Then as you can see, it is also in the map. Study group near Jalan Griya Lokaraya. So now what we want to do is to make sure that study group meeting location is already defined to the map by using the search feature available in the meeting, for example. So we want to search for study group, and as you can see, we can find the study group, so we can assure that the study group meeting is already added to the map. So next thing that we want to do for the last feature of the meeting is to map a route from current location to the meeting location. Our current location is SGU, and we want to go to the meeting, which is study group on Griya Loka. So we choose show me route to my location. We input the event name to be study group. Then we view the route. It is calculating now. As you can see, this is our current location, and this is the end, which is the study group meeting location. We are done with the meeting feature. Now we want to go into the POI feature. POI is just basically point of interest. Point of interest is just simply our defined location. So I'm going to give you some example of them. This is my defined location, my own defined location. For example, I define Pangudi Luhur, for example. As you can see the details. Last time Pangudi Luhur created by me, and I put the address is on Brawijaya 4, and here's some other point of interest, for example Pondok Indah Mall, somewhere in Cilandak, Citos, and Plaza Senayan, Pacific Place, and also CPS elements. So now what we want to do is to add our own defined location. So we define location into the map. Since we haven't have SGU to the map, so why don't we add SGU? SGU, I believe, is somewhere around here, so we add it and name it to be SGU. Then we send it. It's already being sent. Then we back to the POI management and we view the POI. As you can see, SGU already in the map. SGU creator is us, IT 2005. And since we already at SGU, but still it is not really meaningful, then it is best if we update some information to it. So we try to, but first we would try to search up that particular POI just to do some formality. So we search SGU, the newly added POI, just to make sure it is on the map. Yes, it is on the map. So the search also works. We go to the last feature of the POI, which is update a POI or adding information to the POI. We search for SGU. We found SGU and we choose edit POI. Please modify POI to be edited is SGU. We rename it into Swiss German University. Address Jalan Kapten Subianto. City is BSD city. Country is Indonesia. Phone number leave it blank. Website suat.id, and email leave it blank. Categories, of course, campus, and we send it to the web server. As you can see, data has been sent to the web server. So basically we can now see the new POI with the modified information. So we view the POI. See, Swiss German University. So we press enter. It is changed from SGU to Swiss German University, and the newly added information such as the address, Jalan Kapten Subianto, city, Indonesia, and also the website, which is also can be accessible from our application. So we try to exit. As you can see, this is the Swiss German University website. I think that's it for my demo. Thank you very much, and you have a good day.